Hi everyone, it's Graham here with another product review, and we've got a bit of decorating to do. We want to strip some wallpaper. Now I don't know whether you've ever come across this, but we've got some sort of embossed wallpaper that over the years it's got about 10 coats of different coloured paints on it. So it's really hard to get off. It's absolutely stuck solid on. We've tried stripping it the normal way with a scraper, a wallpaper stripper, and we've done about a foot square in about 2 hours, so it's really difficult. So we thought we'd get one of these anyway. We've had a look round, and these seem to get quite good reviews. So it's called the Energer 2000 watt wallpaper stripper, and it's got a 4 litre tank capacity, maximum 80 minutes steam time, and 3 meters of cool touch soft hose. So I'm going to have a look what's in the box, get all that out and have a look at it, and then we're going to put it through its paces and see how it does. I'm really hoping that it's going to make the job a lot easier, so we'll see. So inside the box we've got the actual water container, which holds 4 litres. That's to create the steam. That's the electric socket there, and lead, and that's probably a couple of meters long. This is the hose. That's 3 meters long, the hose, and it says it's cool to the touch when it's operating, so that's good. Instruction manual there, and then the steam plate. So that's the steam plate. So the hose goes onto there, the other end goes onto there. Fill it up with water, plug it in, switch it on, and then you put the steam plate onto the wall that where you're stripping, and it steams the wallpaper. That's the theory anyway, so let's give it a go. Let's put it through its paces and just see how good it is, because I really hope it works. It will save a lot of work for us if it does work, so we'll see how it goes. Right, so this is our embossed paper. I know, it's a hideous colour, isn't it? But anyway, like I say, I reckon that's had about 10 or so coats of paint over the years, possibly more, and it's really difficult to get off. So this is where we started. This is over an old-fashioned fireplace which we're having taken out, but this is where we started, and that little bit there, you can see my hand, it's not much, is it? That took about 2 hours, scraping and pulling and scraping and tearing little bits off, so it was really difficult work. So we're going to have a go now with this thing and see how it goes. So we've put it all together, we've attached the hose and everything. As I say, it's quite a long hose, so you've got plenty of room, and we've put the steam plate on as well, and we've just put that over a bowl so that it doesn't drip anywhere, and we'll have a go now at seeing if we can get some wallpaper off. So we've switched the power on, and as you can see, the water in the water container starts to bubble, and then steam starts to come out of the steam plate. So yeah, let's see how we go then. That's about ready now, I think. This is what we've done so far. It's coming off really easily, and we've done all this in, well, just about an afternoon, 3 hours, something like that. So we're doing really well with this. A couple of tips: while you're scraping one part, put the steamer on the next bit that you're going to do, because then it'll be steaming the next bit. So when you've done that one, put the steamer on the next part, and as you go along you can see how easily that comes off. A lot easier than just with a normal scraper. It's also a good idea if there's 2 of you, you can one can be steaming while the other one's scraping. So always keep the steamer on the wall. Don't take it off the wall because you're losing valuable steaming time then. So keep it on the wall. Also, it does drip a bit of water occasionally, so be careful of your electrical outlets and things like that, because it could drip water on them. So cover those up. And if you're doing a small room, you might want to open some windows, because it can steam the windows up as well. It gets quite steamy. So anyway, yeah, we're quite impressed with that. It's done a lot better, you know, for £25 I think it was. It's well worth it, because it's done a lot better than we were doing just with our scrapers, and it's doing a really good job. It's really coming off a lot easier now, and you know, we'll have done this wall in no time, as opposed to taking hours and hours on about a foot square. So that's it for now. I hope this has been of interest to you, and it's been of help. If you fancy one of these, I'll put a link. I'll try and find a link to put on the bottom so that you can buy one. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to us, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. So cheers for now.